Hello guys, this is Michael from Crypto Darkness. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I am really happy when I saw these amazing comments on the past videos. But in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing project. All what you have to do is follow the video from the beginning to the end and understand all about the project. But this is not a financial advertise. You have to do your own search about this project. So I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. I will put all the links under this video's description. So let's get started after this intro. Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Darkness. So before start, don't forget like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. So today I will show you an amazing event on the MEXC exchange platform. But before that, I just want to introduce the MEXC exchange platform, one of the best exchange platform ever. For me, it is one of the best 5 exchange platform because you can check here the most trading token, almost 3,500, and also every day there are airdrops here in the platform and more than 1000% APR, extremely lower fees for sure, 0%, and the comprehensive liquidity for sure is the first in the industry. So you can trade the most trading token. So you can check here the most trading token. As you see, they have the new one, the hot tokens, the alpha, the spot gainers, and etc. So you can check here some events on the exchange platform and for sure the everyday airdrop. So today's event is this event, the ETHFI in the MEXC. So you can win a big prize pool await for you. The event ends on or after 23 days exactly from now. So what you have to do is register now. Let's just register by here. I have already an account, so you can just log in with your email. You will receive an account or a code on your email. Just check your email, and then I just received my email. So the code is 829967. So directly your account will be open. So now after you register on the platform with my link, I will put it under this video's description. You can share $1,000 like this. You have to make a register first, then deposit and trade, then you can win. So let's register now. So after that you can just unlock the 0 fees here, and then you can trade. But before that you have to make a deposit on the on-chain blockchain. So you can check this one, or you can choose this P2P trading or quick buy and sell. For me, I prefer to do the MEXC deposit crypto. Select your token, select your network, and then make a withdrawal from another exchange wallet to this wallet exactly. So after that, all what you have to do is go to trade. So you can trade spot or future. I prefer to do the both, but you can do, for example, spot like this. So this is the ETHFI token. So the price now is 0.7232. You can just put here how much that you want to trade with, for example $10 or 7 or any other amount. So you can just click here buy. After that you can check here the order history. You have here the trading pair, the time, the type, the side, and a lot of information about it. I have now almost 13.82. Then you can check here the order amount is $10. So after that you can just go here, and you can also do this ETHFI mega spin. You can join from here and register now for share a big prize pool. Put your email and then you can just register. So everything is clear. There is a big prize pool for you guys. You can just check it here. You can make some spin, you can earn some airdrops here, and for sure how you can participate on this event, on this spin. you can check every single step, the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, and you can also show the last chances. So don't forget to read the rules here. So after that, you can also make a stake on the Ethereum, and you can win 200% APR for the new users exclusive. So you can just click here stake. After that, you can go directly and you can do the enable stake. So if you come here, you can check this one for sure. This is the ETHFI. You can just make here stake and you can select which one, 180 days, 90 days, or the flexible. So I prefer the flexible here. The minimum stake is 185. You can put here 100. It is for sure, but for me, I don't have a spot balance on the ETHFI, so you can just click here. I have read this agreement, and you can just stake now. So everything is clear right now. We have here the deposit, so how you can make a deposit and trade to share $100 ETHFI for the new users exclusive. I already showed you how you can do this, and then you can make a boost spot trading to share 50,000 ETHFI. Just click here trade now, and you can just do it like this. I have already show you how you can do this. After that, you can also trade feature to share 200,000 USD on the feature bonuses. Click here, you can go directly and you can make an open or close, or you can just make close short or close long, or open short or open long. This is the price for the ETHFI for now. And the last one, you can stake to unlock up to 25 APR. Click stake and do the same thing. I have showed you how you can do this before. And this is the stake time. The interest occurs on the first interest distribution and the maturity date. So everything is clear, guys. This is the feature event. Don't forget that you can invite your friend and register to get more benefit. Invite one friend, win $20. So that's it. You can also make some new users welcome gift. Join now and be one of the winners. How you can claim this, you can just register, deposit, and trade and win. The important thing, don't forget to read the rules. The event rules is so important. So that's it. See you soon, guys, on the next videos, and goodbye.